Whoa, 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 Miss Molly. Oh, yeah, you want some chicken soup? Huh? You want some chicken soup? You want some chicken soup? Huh? You want some chicken soup? Daddy's little tenderloin made the chicken soup. Oh, yeah. Huh? You like that? You love chicken soup. Huh? You want some chicken soup? Oh yeah, no, yeah, you love the soup. Well. What's Miss Molly? Been nipply out there today, isn't it? Holy shit! It's almost cold as my ex-wife, but not quite. Really cold out there today. Frigid, windy, and cold. Wow. Yeehaw!
3/4 Highway 140.
Yeehaw! Morning, guys. It's March 2nd, 2021. This one here I got a call from a customer. I've done work a couple of times recently too. That Valley girl. Somebody said that she sounded like a Valley girl. I replaced a power flush cartridge in the toilet on the second floor. Also,
Highway 140.
look at this flip them on, stopping in the middle of the road. Gotta be a Democrat. Anyway, what else did I do over there? I think I fixed their Wild McLean boiler. It was a leak. I had to put a new tank on it or something. But it's got a leak under the kitchen sink. And nice lady. She's come from Southern California or something like that, she said. No, it sounds like a Valley girl. But anyway, we're going over there to help out the damsel in distress. Help the damsel in distress, Mama. Just put some diesel in the truck. I'm full now, but man, it's flipping cold out there. Oh, holy mackerel in there.
Highway 140.
Holy mackerel in there, Molly. Miss Molly. My golly, Miss Molly. My golly, it's Miss Molly. Yeah, I know it's cold out here. I know it's cold. Hang on, the truck's warming up. So it's definitely coming from into that little container there, right? Because you keep dumping it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's going into that little container, so it's somewhere in there.
Well, look at this, isn't even connected. See it right here?
Oh, yep.
See?
Okay.
That's our issue. That's definitely not a good thing. See that?
Yeah, okay.
So let me fix that.
Okay. That's probably what it is.
Yeah, you can't have that loose as a goose like that.
Okay. Yeah, I can see it's already causing some damage. Well, I guess not big damage.
Yeah, so what's happening when you're running water down here, if it's not a lot, it might be taking it. Or if the garbage disposal works, it'll dump right out, right?
Okay.
And you got a bunch of stuff here.
That all came with the house.
It did? Well, see if we could use some of your parts.
So I left that there. I just know nothing about any of this, so I didn't want to poke around down.
Go work today? Oh, I got stuff in the truck.
And I got the dogs walked upstairs, so you'll hear them, but they're...
Okay. I'll get what I need out of the truck and we'll fix it. And a bevel to wash it for it. That's what we need. I have to put a longer piece in there. I want to show you.
And then have it put in the scrap metal pile, and I'll call 1-800-GOT-JUNK or something.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put a longer piece.
Yeah.
Not long enough. What was it?
Yesterday was so nice.
Yeah, they said today was gonna be really cold, so. Yep, they did say that. Even my pliers are frozen. Wow. Holy cow.
And a little bit of moisture and everything just freezes up.
That's when you miss California weather now.
It is, yes.
Oh, they ain't gonna want to come off. mask driving you crazy or what?
Yes, it is.
The mask bandit.
We are getting so close, I feel like, to not having to do this anymore. Because even this week, it's the first week where we have live music and stuff and restaurants and bars again, so.
Probably gonna have to cut that off with a grinder. Are you gonna get the shot?
Get the what?
You gonna get the shot?
I don't know yet.
You're not sure?
My parents and grandmother have it, so the people I'd be worried about catching anything have it. And I'm not super worried about myself, so.
Oh, they already got the shot.
Yeah, my parents and my grandmother, because my grandmother is pretty old, and so they all want it already. And it went fine for them, but. You decided if you're gonna get it?
I don't know. Probably not.
Yeah.
I don't really get sick.
I don't really get sick either, and I never get the flu shot or anything like that, so.
I got the flu shot one time and I ended up with the flu.
I'm the same way, yeah. The one time I did it, I ended up with the flu that season, and normally I don't get it. So that kind of turned me off of the whole thing.
Yeah, kinda. Kinda give you the old. Are you sure?
I'm good every year except for when I do the shot.
So we'll cut this a little longer and we'll be good. I'm putting a little longer one in there.
Sounds good.
How's work for you? Good?
It's going okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Frustrating, but it's work always.
Work is work, right?
Exactly. Paycheck comes, pays the bills.
Sometimes these nuts don't fit on there like they should, but almost seems good. Hopefully. I'm just gonna do a repair on what's bad here instead of replacing everything.
Yeah, that looks great with everything. I just really appreciate you being able to come out, Jason.
Well, so the stuff's probably okay for now. And
Different having moved out here from California. I used to, have my father and some uncles and cousins to call.
oh, really?
I don't really know, pandemic hasn't been the best year to move somewhere new, so.
No, the toilet's been fine upstairs. No more issues.
Yeah, toilet's been great upstairs. The room made up.
This is loose too. This is all loose as a goose. Look at this thing. That's another one.
So maybe it's leaking out in multiple places.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's almost even worse.
That's really bad. So what we're gonna have to do here Let's loosen this up. Somebody's put silicone on it.
Oh, just to kind of seal it up.
Yeah, somebody's did. You know, you don't know who did that?
No, I haven't done anything down there since I bought the place in April.
Yeah, I gotta cut that other one.
Yeah, most of it's worried about any damage that it's causing. You know, it
Well,
soaks the plywood and the.
We'll get it figured out.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I'll probably have to do is put a hanger in the back there. So I'll probably put a hanger in the back to take the weight.
Okay.
And this way here it won't fall apart on you again. We'll put the other short one back in there maybe. Oh, that's quite. Yeah, maybe as long as I got the hanger on, it'll be okay. Put a hanger on it. I'll put the short one back in there. So they call you the Valley Girl? No?
No, don't get that.
Huh?
I have not gotten that.
Aren't you from the Valley?
No. Napa Valley, yeah.
Yeah, that's what they mean. Yeah,
When people
California.
say the Valley, though, they typically mean like Orange County area.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The Valley Girl is that just outside of LA.
What, is that like an insult to you?
No.
No?
And I know I do have that California accent, so.
Yeah, I'm not saying anything bad about it. So that's more Orange County?
Yep, that's for Orange County.
Valley Girl? Orange County Choppers, remember that show?
Never saw that one.
No?
Nope.
The motorcycle guys there?
Nope,
They used to fight, father and son used to fight all the time.
Was it a reality show with following around these guys on motorcycles?
Oh, they would build these motorcycles in their shop and sell them. But I gotta get a hanger in the back there, and then it won't fall off anymore. Well, that hanger in there will stop it from dropping because I have the hanger in there.
That's perfect.
You know. Let's see. Alright. Hanger's in the back there. I should stop all this from dropping. Not the ideal situation as far as this compression stuff, but like I said, it's already here. And
it should at least stop leaking with the...
well, what I did was I reattached everything.
Okay.
We put the hanger in the back there, and I screwed it in so the pipe can't drop anymore.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
So we're gonna run it and see what happens there.
Alright, that was pretty solid.
Yeah.
And that would make sense that it was only when a lot of water went down at once.
Right. But now it's all reconnected.
Perfect.
And put the hanger in the back there so it can't drop anymore. And that should do it.
Perfect.
Yeah, we had to cut the other nut out. You want to leave the bowl there just in case?
Yeah, might as well. I'll leave it there for a couple days.
It wouldn't hurt, right?
Just make sure it's all good. I figure it will be. The last two things you fixed here turned out perfect, so I really appreciate that.
Yeah, so you just can't call your father and your brother come fix my stuff.
I'd have to fly them out here from California, which would be a little inconvenient.
Funny. Do you miss it there, or would you rather be here?
I like it here better.
You do?
Yeah, I really do.
Wow.
I like the seasons, even when it's cold. It's nice to have seasons.
Yeah, it's kind of like you get the 4 seasons. I always like the 4 seasons, too.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying the 4 seasons. It's beautiful to watch it change.
It's definitely different.
And I like it feels more real out here. Napa Valley is a lot of rich tourists and stuff. Here it feels like normal people, more reasonable cost of living, all that good stuff.
A lot of people are leaving California, from what I understand, from what I hear, but...
It's getting too hard. The cost of living's too high, and there's wildfires every summer, and it's just...
Well, so I think you're good. It'll be good.
Looks wonderful.
Yeah, so the wildfires are just so dry and everything just starts cooking.
Exactly, yeah.
Takes one guy with a cigarette and you're done.
Yeah, you burn down a whole town with that. Throw it out the window on a highway and...
Yeah, and it's like all on the hills and
Yep.
yeah, crazy. Whoa, 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 Miss Molly. My golly, it's Miss Molly. You missed me. Yeah, I know you missed me.